Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh and we'll talk about NIO. Well, pre-market we were looking really good. Um, we were going all the way up high, close to about $44.88. Market opened up at 44.46. We went high up to we went high up to 44.89. And after 44.89, then we had a sell-off, try to push up and break out our 200-day moving average in the pink line, and we couldn't even hold up. And then we even broke down our support, and they came back again, retested it, and then we were trading above our support line throughout the day, made a little bit of higher highs, and then came back around at closed around at $43.56. To be honest, I expected that, and I mentioned in our previous video yesterday that we will have a pullback. I see some little bit on side trading to making another higher highs, which is normal. We were down by 0.2%, like 12 cents what we previously closed. Nothing to worry about. Do not panic. Don't even think about it, because it was expected. You cannot expect a stock to go every day high. It has to have a pullback, retest it, and go back again, right? Volume was 50 million, still low. We're looking at NIO, always been traded over 90 to 100 million, still low, way low actually. So not a quite a eventful day, but in the good news is that we didn't dip all the way to like 40 or 39. We were up to our resistance level, support level. We came back, went below 42.82, came back, tested it, and we've been trading above it. And even after hours, we had 43.56. So before more on the technical term, I'm going to talk really key levels after that. But one thing I want to talk about, the news that came out today, the top cars for Q3 2021, right? I have other like Tesla, GM also involved, and that this is like a fast growing cars, right? Xpeng, it is because they don't produce same amount of deliveries in a month. Xpeng produces roughly about 3 to 2,000 per month. NIO roughly produces in delivery between 6 to 7,000 a month, right? So NIO is a Chinese company, built and sells electrical vehicles and parts, and it also offers a battery range service, right? Not everybody does it. Like they have both options. You can charge, includes battery charging and battery swapping. So you have options, right? The company delivers 6,771 vehicles. Like I said in the previous video, like Xpeng does not produce the same amount of vehicles as NIO, and has an increase of 93% of YOA year to date, and reported a negative of first quarter. Yes, remember our negative was minus 0.04, right? We're getting close to on that. The cars with most momentum, right? The cars with most momentum over the car stock that has more momentum, right? GP motors and stuffs, and then we have NIO, right? Price of $40, $67 a billion is the market cap. So this is the key I wanted you guys to share about that. NIO is no joke, right? It's one of the best sellers, best value car sellers too at the moment, fast growing cars at the moment. So there's something I wanted to share with you guys, right? But the breaking news is on that was ET7, right? ET7 is delivered target for next year is to be 50,000 units. Oh my God, that's quite a lot. But we'll see how because the delivery number is going to go up, right? What are we looking at? What NIO is actually looking at to have delivery numbers between 15 to 16,000 a month, right? That's the ultimate goal. They're looking to have a 15 to 16,000 a month, right? Which is attainable with ET7. We have sedan like that. Like we always, NIO has been producing SUVs, so having ET7s has a big boost for the company, and the customers, the consumers want to see. I have a variety of options to get it. So the ET7 sales of 50,000 units in 2021 was produced on Tuesday's meeting on board. That's the target that was done today, right? On the board meeting they had, they wanted a target of 50,000 units in 2021. 2021, we in June right now. We're looking about 50,000 units in 2021. Okay. So ET7s entered the market the first quarter and will start supplying 2 months earlier, right? And the target is 50 months. So 2 months earlier in the first quarter, and they started want to do that. Oh wow. I'm just stunned right now. The motor demand is expected to be 100,000 units in the minutes, which was showed on that, right? If it's true, NIO will deliver about 4,167 ET7s per month, right? Right now we're producing between 6 to about 7,000. So we're looking about roughly about 11,000 to 11 to 12,000 vehicles in the month, right? I know the ultimate target is between 15 to 60. That's for targeted for 2022, right? For this month, if they're gonna start doing it earlier 2 months, that'll be that. Whoo, boy, that'll be. Sorry, I'm just too excited. It's gonna be a lot of revenues generated, a lot of demand for that, right? And they have looks like it. They are in infrastructure. They're in the flow of having those supplies. So the average delivery target is 4,000 vehicles. ET7s currently in the top selling E6. So going back, it's looking at this, talking about more on NIO on this thing, was also the drove my car was earnings chip calls not setup. Okay, so that's another article that was not based on chip shortage, was based on the manufacturing from JAC were not able to meet the demands on that. Don't forget, we're building their own, NIO is building their own plant on that. So that's something to look at, right? So on the why NIO looks like a charge to drive to the north, right? What does it mean? NIO is the charge with investors' interest in 2021 since its cool off. So I'm going to talk about my technical too, but it's not far off from the technical. The news came out. This is cooling off. They're about to test this moving average, right? We talked about it. So let's talk about my chart that I have it, and we talked about in our previous videos. I'm excited. I'm sorry. I'm so just pumped up right now. You guys have no idea. We talked about it. They had the double bottom right up here, and then we rallied off, right? We tested about 43.56 on our previous video. The levels has not changed. Level has not changed. Everything is still stacked. We came in, acted as a support at 55 cents, right? Look at that, 43.56. We closed, acted as a support. We might see a pullback to 42.87 back again, retested, maybe low of 42.60, and then we push higher highs. By Friday, I'm very optimistic that this stock will be closing over $45.50, and that would target. And the next resistance that we talked about it was. Let me just take this off right here. Perfect. So the next resistance we were talking about it was $46.04, right? I just took my alarm off because I wanted to put my alarm off just in case if I miss something, just to see that target, because I'm really monitoring it so closely. I'm a long time holder. I'm a big time long holder. I believe in this stock. I have a lot of faith on it because of the growth of the company. This company is no joke. NIO is not a joke company. You know, they are building a brand in China. They have a NIO house, right? We know Tesla is struggling right now in China with the quality of cars, the news that came out today. I know NIO is nowhere close to Tesla, but they are taking baby steps in order to do that. The key levels, right? The key levels, the 200-day moving average, right? Once we had this crossover, right, back in February, right? Crossover where 200 crossed over the 60-day, we had a rapid sell-off. We never came close. The only time we came close around in May, to have a potential breakout, which got rejected. We came all the way to $30, and we're making high highs. But right now, our 60-day is above our 200-day, which is supposed to be. In order for a stock to move, right, on the technical side, your 20-day moving average, your 60-day moving has to be in line in order to move. Right now, it's in line. And another good thing that I can see is our RSI is cooling off, which we wanted it because we were on overbought territory, and every time we had the overbought, guess what? We pulled back, we retested it, and then we made another higher highs, right? So now it's gonna cool. Like I won't be surprised when I come back to 42 tomorrow, 42.50, 42.60, right? Retest it a little bit, and even maybe close on around $43.56, and by Friday, I can see it's going back again, if testing it at 45 and stuff. Maybe not. Maybe you're gonna reset, test it again, and gonna go back to 40, 45 to $46. To have a full bull pattern, we have to make sure that we cross over our this $46, right? $46.04. Once we cross over on that, it's a full confirmation that we are on that uptrend, because if it gets rejected, it can have the potential to get rejected and come back and retest it again. And but that's what we're doing. We're creating higher highs, right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We've been doing it. So pull back, we're gonna shoot up again over there to cover that gap. Well, that was a quick video. I wanted to show you guys some news and stuff. I'm excited, I'm pumped. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, smash the like button. It helps the channel a lot. I'm excited for tomorrow and next trading days, right? We have 3 more trading days for this week. I'm excited. Like I said, I won't be surprised. We're going to break 46 by Friday, and I'm excited. So let's go, NIO team. Thank you very much for watching the video.